I would say that the Asics Gel Lyte III is in my top 3 silhouettes of all time. This grape is a old, mate, you can see the state of the sole on these, where I tried to paint them and then it didn't quite work out. I only pulled these out actually of my loft a little while ago, and I'm glad I did, because I haven't worn these for ages and I bloody love them. I need to get some more. This is the only pair of Gel Lyte IIIs I've got at the minute. But today, this is the subject of the video. I'm going to be going through and I'm going to be creating some Asics Gel Lyte III designs. Now, if you haven't seen already my how to design your own sneakers video, I'm going to link that in the description, and I'm going to show a little bit on the screen just to make it nice and clear, nice and easy to click on. Give that a look if you want to design your own after this video. Click on that, and I go through step by step on how to design your own sneakers in Photoshop. So as you can see on screen, I've got the plain Asics Gel Lyte III white base that I'm going to start from. And actually, as you can see, I've also got a few different material options. The initial original that I created was with the dots, whatever you call it, can't remember the bloody word, but also I've got a plain all suede one and mesh implemented as well. So the plan is to create 3 designs based on, I don't know, tell you what, it's Christmas coming up. Let's do a Christmas themed for the first Asics. Let's take this poker, what is the word? What is the word I'm trying to think of? The perforated, is that it? Well, anyway, look, right, I'm doing a Christmas design on this, right? So ignore the pink background. We're just starting with, this is the base shoe, like I said. So we're ignoring all the other layers other than the colour one up the top, which has a design built in, a quite nice design actually that I worked on a little while ago. That's on Sneaker Screen. Actually, I'll take this moment to promote it. You might have come over here from my Instagram sneaker channel called Sneaker Screens, almost at 10k now, started at the beginning of this year. I post daily sneaker designs every single day, pretty much. And if you've come from over there, then hi, this is my face. So I've got all these colour fills for the upper and the sole as well. So Christmas, I'm thinking a dark green. I think something quite kind of simple. I'm not going to go too crazy with this. Take a bit of saturation out of it actually. Yeah, something like that, that'll do. And then I think I'm gonna put that along the kind of lower panel of the upper, the toe box behind the kind of Asics symbol. So Christmas is green, bit of brown, bit of red. So I think that obviously the red will pop nicely. So I think what I'm gonna do, let's find a nice brown. Yeah, that'll work. I'll just wing it every time I make a design, to be honest. I think I'm gonna grab that green again. So again, I'll just click through, copy the hex code, so I know I'm getting the exact same green. Well, actually, that kind of toned down red actually works quite well. I like that more than like a really bright leery red. I thought that was what I was gonna go for initially, but I'm glad that came up first. So yeah, that's looking pretty festive. And then laces, maybe the darker brown, maybe the red. Again, I'm just going to colour pick for this, and I'm just going to match it by eye. And then these 2 little white bits, I think maybe a green. I'll just do it by eye again, because the material's different on that. These little bits I'm colouring in now on the real shoe, they're kind of like plasticky bits. So you're going to get a different finish, a different kind of sheen off of it. So I'm not too worried about matching that bang on. I want to do a bit more with the midsole. Let's try this central panel in the midsole in green. Does that work? Does that work? Do we like that? Do we like that? Maybe the brown? Maybe the reds? Tricky one, tricky one. Oh, actually the green. I like the green. I think the green could work. Maybe the green at the back as well. I think maybe that. I think maybe the front white. I think I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy with that for a start. So this is my first complete shoe, Asics Gel Lyte III Christmas. Let's get on to the next. Okay, with this second shoe, I'm gonna go for something quite simple, greyed out outsole and midsole. So let's find a nice kind of not too dark a grey. If it's too flat, then it can look too photoshopped, which is obviously what I'm trying to avoid. I'm trying to make it look as realistic as possible. Vincent, why are you crying? Why do you want to go outside? Right, 2 seconds. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Oh, you are a funny little man, ain't you? Hey. Stay. Good boy. Whenever I give him his treat, he like runs off and eats it as far away from me as possible, so I can't take it off him. Anyway, back to the video. So okay, I think that outsole looks cool. So for the upper, I'm thinking like one colour, but again like maybe a shades of kind of, but something quite not too dark, because I want it to kind of offset the sole. Let's try that. Let's go with the blue. Let's go with the blue. Yeah, maybe that kind of blue for the top. I think that looks pretty sick. Right, do you want to sit on my lap? Oh. Right, Minton's joining us. Right, just be a good boy, sit down, thank you. What I would suggest actually, if you are doing your own, which I just haven't bothered, I've got lazy with it to be fair, is naming all your layers properly, because it will save you a bit of time when you're going through. Vincent, can you please stop walking around? Just sit down, man. I think I'm gonna do the bit that's still in black, I'm gonna do that in a lighter blue. Nice. I'm liking this. It can be quite hard to keep it kind of fresh and unique, but I'm happy with that, man. That looks sick. I'm really happy with them. Cool. Okay, on to the final shoe. So, numero 3. Number 3. Okay, so we've got suede with mesh. Do I use this opportunity? Do I maybe do a reverse of this? I think I'm going to use these as a base, these colours. So the purple, these laces I added, which I think look sick on them to be honest, but you know, each their own. Yeah, I'm not just going to reverse everything. Like, I'm going to keep elements consistent, and I think the outsole is going to be one of those things. It's got a bit more blue in it. It's hard to tell. I'm just looking at the shoe and then looking back at the screen and being like, I don't know. Does that look a bit weird? I think that looks a bit weird. Maybe black, actually, because there are black elements on this shoe. I'm going to put the green, rather than on the front and the back, like my grapes, I'm going to put that in where the purple is. And then I'm going to make the Asics swoosh, or whatever you call it. Is there even a name for the thing? The thing on the side? I don't know. The laces are grape, but I would say this is, if anything, way more blue than it is purple. Okay, cool, that works. And then I'll put that on the back as well. Let's try using the black as is on the original shoe. And then on the toe box as well. I got these from some Puma R698s. The Tronomic, yeah, what was it? I'm sure, was it a collab? I can't even remember. It was really nice pair of shoes that I sold years ago. But they came with extra laces and I stuck a pair in them. Did the job beautifully. Laces now, laces. Do we go for white? Do we go for the plum? Let's try that. And then let's try this in the plum as well. I tell you what, I've seen worse, mate. Black spell. Mate, I think they're sick. I dig these. These are nice. These come out well. My little take on the Asics grape. Yeah, man, that's sick. I'm happy with these. I'm happy with these shoes. Okay, cool. Sweet, we're done. So we've got our 3 shoes. I'll stick them on screen now. Let me know. I think I can put a poll up here for you guys to decide which is your favourite. I'll follow this up with a post on Instagram as well, linking to this video. So if that's how you came to this, then hi, this is how I designed the 3 shoes that you just saw. Thank you very much for watching. I plan on making this a little thing going forwards, combining my sneaker screens with my YouTube channel and bringing you more sneaker related design content. So if you've enjoyed this video, please drop a like on it and subscribe. That would be really massively appreciated. Thanks again. Have a good one. Ta-da. Minton's looking very cute over there. Should we go say hello to Minton? I think we should. You're not going to be able to hear me. Actually, I'll go to the just in-camera audio, because who gives a f about good audio for this little end bit? Hello, handsome Dashi. Oh, look at your little face. Oh, look at him. Look at how beautiful he is. Look at him. Look. Sweet as a nuts. We're done, Minton. We are done, young Mintonio.